Okay students, next is sixth sum. Find the domain of the following. Subdivision 1, f of x equal to sine inverse of x square plus 1 divided by 2x. Then solution, then f of x equal to the given function sine inverse of x square plus 1 divided by 2x. Okay, then the range of sine inverse of x is range of sine inverse minus 1 to plus 1. Sine of examples of minus 1 to 1 is the only the answer. Okay, range, then domain, then first, then minus 1 less than or equal to, then function the x is the x square plus 1 divided by 2x, then less than or equal to 1. Okay, then divide 2x, you take 2 part, minus 1 less than or equal to x square plus 1 divided by 2x, one part, then another one part x square plus 1 divided by 2x less than or equal to 1. Okay, the simplify, the divide 2x left hand side, minus 2x less than or equal to x square plus 1. Okay, then divide that value right and change the right hand side. Okay, x square, the minus 2x right hand side plus 2x plus 1, that part 0. 0 less than or equal to, that part is x square plus 2x plus 1 square. 0 less than or equal to x plus 1 the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, then a plus b the whole square. Then simplify any one value, substitute. Okay, 0 greater than or less than or equal to 0 is the, then all values are, example exact x is equal to 0.5 or any one, substitute 0.5, 1.5 into 1.5 is the positive, that possible, the limit is okay, that is possible, is possible. Okay, then that one is a simplify, x square plus 1 divided by 2x, x square plus 1 less than or equal to the right hand 2x. Okay, then plus value left hand side, x square plus 1 square minus 2x less than or equal to 0. Okay, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b the whole square less than or equal to 0. That value, the simplify is the small value, then substitute that all values negative or positive, that whole square is then positive, then simplify is not possible, it's not possible. Okay, all values are greater than, it's not less than, it's not possible. Okay, that is values of plus 1, that's some example, x plus 1 equal 0, as this x square plus 1 is equal to 0, then x plus 1 is equal to 0, root take x is equal to minus 1. Okay, then x plus 1 simplify, then x plus 1 the whole square simplify is a minus 1, so say x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, plus or minus all the right. Okay, the limit is minus 1 less than or equal to, sorry, the domain is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 1, the same, that's all. Okay, sixth Roman first sum over. The next second sum, that's given g of x is equal to 2 sine inverse of 2x minus 1 minus by 4. Okay, the same, the given the sign, range of sin x is minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1, only the function. Okay, less than or equal to 1. Okay, the function is only. Okay, this two part, minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, the minus 1 left hand side or right hand side, anyone, that values are right hand side. 0 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, then minus 1 less than or equal to 2x, that is minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0, one value. Then right next to one value, 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 1, that left hand side 2x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, less than, all that values are right hand side. Okay, 2x less than or equal to the plus 1 1, 2x less than or equal to 2, then 2 cancel, x less than or equal to 1. Okay, that values of 0, that values of 1. Okay, 0 less than or equal to x, then domain, the domain is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, that's all. Sixth sum over. Okay, the last one, seventh sum. Find the value of sine inverse of sine 5 by 9 cos by 9 plus cos 5 by 9 sine pi by 9. Okay, that solution, first one, then formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal to sine of a plus b. That is formula. That angle of a is 5 by 9 and b is by 9. Okay, same, substitute sine by a value 5 by 9 cos 5 by 9 cos a value 5 by 9, b value 5 by 9, that's value. Okay, that part of, then sine inverse of sine of, then a value 5 by 9 plus by 9. Okay, that is a plus b, sine of a plus b, a b value. The sine cancel, sine inverse sine cancel, then limit denominator equal 5 by plus 1 by 6 by 9. 3 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. That answer, sorry, then sine inverse of, simplify and cancel. Okay, sine of 6 by 9, then cancel 2 by 3, then sine inverse of sine 2 by 3. That first sum, the first substitution is not that's not possible. Okay, sine inverse of, that only change the sine of pi plus pi by 3, that is sine of 180 plus theta sine theta, sine of 180 plus theta sine theta formula. Now the sine of 180 plus theta is equal to sine theta, sine of 180 plus theta is equal to sine theta. Okay, then same formula, use the formula sine inverse of sine theta, sine of theta by 3, sine of by 3. Okay, the sine inverse sine cancel, the answer is by 3. That's all. Okay, the seventh sum over. That exercise is over.